Hello, a very good evening ladies and gentlemen, and welcome you all back to my channel trdentaldk. As you all know, the main aim of this channel is to guide all the medical professionals and skilled professionals who would like to consider other countries as an option to work and acquire education from, etc. So I did a post on Instagram, and upon the results, the most popular country was Finland, where all the dentists wanted to know as to how to work as a foreign dentist in Finland. So this video will talk about everything you need to know about Finland. Now stay tuned till the end and grab a pen and a paper to jot down the important details. Let's go. Now, whenever we talk about Scandinavia, especially the northern part of Europe, when it comes to Denmark, Sweden, Germany, Finland, etc., it's very important that we need to learn their language. Now, the step one would be to start learning Finnish or Swedish language, which is also approved there. So you must speak Finnish or Swedish to work and pass the exam. The recommended level is, of course, B1 to B2 intermediate, and you will need to pass the recognized language test, which is the National Certificate of Language Proficiency YKI immediate level or state administration language exam. Now the step 2 is apply for dental recognition from Valvira. Now once you have completed the language, you are eligible to apply for degree recognition. Now Valvira is the authority that checks if your foreign degree is acceptable in Finland. The link of Valvira would be in the description, so you can check that out. Now talking about the documents to submit, they are the application form, passport copy, your dental degree, transcripts, certificate of good standing, proof of work experience, and legalization of your documents. So they have to be attested. Now, once the documents are ready, you can send them by post. The one thing to understand here is that you cannot send emails. They're not going to accept that. Yes, with time, maybe they do open an online portal, but for that, you need to check their website often. So maybe they do have an option for online submission, but till now, it's mainly by posts. Now let's talk about the step 3, complete Valvira's assigned steps. Now this is a little crucial, so please hear me out and listen to this very carefully. Now we need to understand that when Valvira assesses your documentation, it depends from case to case. So depending upon which non-European country are you from, depending upon your postgrad experience, depending upon the syllabus you provide of your medical college, etc., depending upon all that, you would be given 2 options, or they would assign you which option suits you well. So either you have to do supervised work, or you have to sit for the dental exam. So that depends from case to case. In some cases, maybe you do not have to sit for the dental exam. So it depends from individual to individual case. Now, talking about the first option, if you're lucky, maybe you do not have to sit for the dental exam if you have a good postgrad level, etc. So they would ask you for supervised work. So it would be in a Finnish clinic or hospital, or it can be arranged by you with the help of Valvira. They are going to guide you through. Now, of course, if they think your experience or your postgrad is not enough, or the syllabus is not enough, etc., due to whatever reason, they might ask you to actually sit for the dental exam. Now, the exams are conducted, according to my knowledge, in Finnish or Swedish language. They test your theoretical and your clinical dental knowledge, and it's usually organized by a Finnish university, University of Helsinki. Of course, once your documents are assessed, they're going to definitely give you more information when it comes to the dental exam. Now, lastly, when your exam is passed or your training is complete, they will give you a temporary license. Now, once you get the temporary license, you're allowed to work for 1 year. And if everything goes well, there's not a major complaint against you, you can also apply after 1 year for a permanent license. Now, if you're not already working or a resident of Finland or studying there, then in that case, you need a work permit and a visa. So for that, you need to find a job, and the employer is going to sponsor you, send a sponsor letter and a job contract, and through that, you can apply for your visa and move to Finland. Now, with that, I conclude my video. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I really hope that this video helped. And if you find my content interesting and helpful, kindly do subscribe and support me so that I can make more content to help you. Thank you and have a good day.